Hello. David did a great job cooking dinner, didn't he? To cook like a professional, you need to know the specific names for your tools and the actions you take with your hands. Let's look at the vocabulary from the dialogue. First, let's talk about prepping the food. Before you cook, you must prep or prepare the ingredients. We use different words for how we cut things. To dice, to cut food into small, equal squares, like an onion. To slice, to cut food into thin, flat pieces, like a bell pepper or bread. To mince, to cut food into very, very tiny pieces, like garlic. To peel, to remove the outer skin of a fruit or vegetable. David used several kitchen tools. Every kitchen needs these basics. Chef's knife, a large, sharp knife for cutting. Cutting board, the wood or plastic surface where you cut your food. Pan, a flat metal container used for frying or sautéing. Pot, a deep metal container used for boiling water or making soup. Colander, a bowl with holes used to drain water from pasta. Now, let's look at cooking methods on the stove. The way you apply heat changes the food. To boil, to cook in very hot water with large bubbles. To simmer, to cook on low heat with very small, gentle bubbles. To sauté, to cook food quickly in a little bit of hot oil. To stir, to move food around with a spoon so it cooks evenly. Elena talked about measurements and spices. Recipes use specific amounts. Tablespoon, a large spoon used for oil or butter. Teaspoon, a small spoon used for salt or spices like oregano or pepper. A pinch, a very small amount you pick up between your fingers, usually salt. Finally, David had to grate the cheese. To grate means to rub food like cheese or carrots against a metal tool with sharp holes to turn it into small shreds. You are doing a wonderful job. Cooking is a great way to practice English. Tonight, look at your dinner and ask yourself, did I boil this? Did I slice these vegetables? See you in the next part. Doors, your key to English without limits.